Universal Field Robots makes autonomy packages that we put onto existing machinery such as excavators or other outdoor machines.
This removes people from danger areas and reduces the costs of various activities in mining, agriculture, construction, etc.
What makes our machines universal is the technology and the code base that underpins it all is one platform. We can take the code and all the technology that worked on this machine, translate it to a whole new machine, whole new industry, and we're sort of 80–90% there already.
This brings the time and cost of deployment down, allowing us to complete a project in months rather than years.
So we've been developing a product for automating the construction of solar farms. If you believe that solar farms are going to be a much bigger part of our future to give us greener energy, then there'll be a need to try and reduce the costs, and this is where we see robots coming in. We can do some of the jobs now that are being done with people, and they remove people out of hot, dirty, noisy conditions, and they let robots do that. Behind me we have a couple of machines that we're robotising, and they install piles into solar farms, and these are the base, the start of a solar farm construction project.
For more information, feel free to check out our website at universalfieldrobots.com.au, as well as on our LinkedIn, Facebook or Instagram pages.